Hi, if you for whatever reason want to boot your Wii U into Wii mode and do not have a sensor bar, you can actually bypass the whole Wii U system and boot straight into Wii mode. You can also use this approach to boot into the Wii software without a Wii remote at all. However, when you get to this point, you will need to connect some kind of Wii compatible controller to move forward. Alright, to do this, begin by having the console completely turned off. Then push and hold the B button while pressing once on the power button. Keep holding the B button while the console first boots up and says Wii U once, then restarts again for it to say Wii U a second time. After this, let go of the B button, whereupon the gamepad screen should then soon say Wii, and thereafter display the console's safety message on the TV. From here, just press A on your Wii remote or any other connected and supported controller to get into the Wii system software. Cool. If you for any reason don't care about the TV being on, you can also use the plus button at this point in the Wii U menu to skip both these choices and boot the Wii software only on the gamepad screen as well. Also, as a little bonus to the hold the B button approach, if you put your Wii U GamePad underneath your TV, you can here use its built-in sensor bar to control the system using a normal Wii remote as well, without having the actual sensor bar at all. If you want to know more about that subject, please see this video. Alright, thank you for watching, bye!